Hello and welcome to an AdLizard instructional video for template builders. This video is 5 minutes long and is aimed at creating doc styles and the understanding of doc styles. So I won't waste any time, let's get straight into it. A doc style is a way of divorcing a document or template's appearance from the document itself. So it's a way of extracting all of the things that relate to how things appear inside the document and holding them separately in the database. There are 4 places where a doc style can live. A doc style can live here at the system level, down here at the site level, down here at the client level. The doc styles live in there. Depending on where they are stored, they are available to different documents. This one's going to be available only to items, to documents that are stored in this client. Ones here will be all the docs in this site, and of course system-wide up here. I'm going to use client styles for this demonstration. You'll see that I have no client styles in the AdFit client. I click on Styles and I click New. By doing so, I duplicate the system reference style. So for template builders wishing to have default settings in their style, anywhere that they make them, set them here in the system reference style, and each time you make a new a new site or client style, it'll be duplicated. So I just make a name for this, my new style, and we'll explore its content. There we go. Apply this. You'll now see I have my new style inside the client styles tree, and all of the stuff that relates to this style is in here. So the most important 2 things I would suppose are the object styles and the paragraph styles. These relate to the text and how that appears. You'll see that I have a heading at the moment, which if I open that up, it shows me all of the properties of the heading, what font it's in, what size that font is in, Helvetica bold, what color it is, the character color. We might change this to cyan and hit apply. All of that font stuff and paragraph styling is in here. The other part is the object styles themselves. So if I look at the centered object style, we'll see that it has a frame that is solid. We'll make that 6 points, and we'll make it a warm red color of 100% applied. And there are other properties of this this object style. These all translate through to objects inside the document. If I now make a document and apply this object style, which we'll see in the next chapter, you'll see that I can apply these styles to an object. So I could apply centered to a box, which would make that box inherit the properties of a 10% none background, which will make it pink for the purposes of Java, and this one would make it it would also have a warm red frame of 6 points. The text, if I insert it into a text box with that style, a paragraph style of heading, the tag and its the text immediately after the tag will inherit these properties: this indent, these color, the format, all the stuff that we selected earlier. It's just a matter of assigning that to a document, which we're going to do in the next chapter. All of this stuff that belongs in here relates to the document. So although we've got some appearance stuff here, you can also set how preferences work, so how this document appears and behaves on the internet. The specifics about all of the settings that are available in the doc style are down here in the help. In the using AdLizard section, in creating ads, there's a doc styles section. All of that stuff there goes into much more detail than this video. Okay, that's how to create doc styles. In the next video, we'll see how to use them when assigning them to docs or templates.